Portable SSD has definitely becoming more mainstream than before, and a lot more people are moving towards to portable SSD as compared to the traditional mechanical drive due to the fact that it's very lightweight and shock resistance. So there are plenty of design out there you can go for, and specifically here we have today is this, the WD My Passport SSD, which comes with a fairly decent design, and let's take a look at what they have to offer. So for this model, WD is actually offering 3 types of capacity, which is 500GB, 1TB and 2TB. And inside the box, you'll find the SSD itself and a pretty useful adapter, as well as a pretty short C2C cable. So unlike some of the brands we've seen, WD actually included this adapter here to make things easier for you instead of including 2 different cables. For those of you who are more relying on Type-C ports, this is the cable you can go for. As for those of you who are still using Type-A ports more, this is the adapter that will help you to deal with that problem. So for the design, WD went on with a pretty ergonomic enclosure, which is very easy to hold on, very comfortable to grab as compared to some of the design we find in the market that comes in a rather lengthy form factor. Ergonomics aside, the form factor is really nice because it can really fit into your wallet with ease without bulging up too much, just like what I have here. Now, apart from the design and the form factor, things that people care the most for portable SSD like this is of course the performance. So we did quite a few benchmarks on the SSD to see how well it can perform for daily tasks, and of course with synthetic benchmark as well, just to see whether it can hit the advertised speed. So here are the numbers you can look into. So performance-wise, well, I can say that my Passport SSD right here really performs as advertised. It managed to reach the speed as what they've claimed, which is 1000, but that's only something you can see in synthetic benchmark, because if you're doing real-life file transfer, you'll definitely not be seeing that kind of numbers, though it's still fast enough and is definitely one of the fastest I've tried so far. And it's one of the very few portable SSD that comes with a very decent software suite. For this one, it has the WD Discovery and features which some people might find useful, some might not. The 256-bit hardware encryption. So price-wise, well, the WD My Passport 1TB here is priced at 1,359 ringgit. Well, it's quite a pricey price compared to some of the DIY solution you can go for, because if you really go for, an SSD and third-party enclosure, you can save quite a lot of money there. Though, do note that you will not be able to enjoy dedicated features such as the 256-bit AES hardware encryption, password protection, the awesome software suite like the WD Discovery, and of course 5-year warranty which WD offer for this product. So I would say this product is targeted for users that have special needs as compared to all the generic solutions you can find in the market. Though I do have my complaints for the design, which is the lack of the indicator LED lights. So without the indicator LED lights, it's kind of hard for me to tell whether the SSD is connected to your system and whether it's functioning at all. And if you are one of those curious bunch like us who try to pry open and see what's inside, or even try to replace the SSD inside, well, you cannot replace the SSD because it's pretty much soldered on the controller board itself. So yeah, you have to stick with this capacity, or else you have to go for the higher ones if you need more space. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our video today for this WD My Passport SSD. And if you are using one or planning to get one, do let us know what do you think of this SSD in the comment down below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.